In this video, we will demonstrate how to integrate the Vaxtor software to report data into Milestone analytics events. The first step is to create a new analytic event. You can name this event whatever you prefer. For this example, we will name it VaxALPR on camera event. Next, we'll configure the alarm settings. Start by creating a new alarm definition, which we'll name plate detected. Set the triggering event to analytics events. Select the event we created in the previous step. In the sources section, assign the devices that should trigger these alerts. Finally, we will adjust the alarm data settings. Under the Alarm List Configuration tab, make sure that object is included in the selected columns. At this point, we have successfully set up a custom event and configured an alert for the designated devices. Now, let's configure the Analytics Events server. Go to Menu Tools Options. Navigate to the Analytics Events tab. Check the box labeled Enabled. By default, the listening port is set to 9090. To set up reporting in the Vaxtor application, you'll need to configure the XML report. While the configuration screens may vary slightly across Vaxtor applications, the process remains the same. You'll specify a URL to connect to Milestone XProtect, formatted like this. Next, complete the template field with the appropriate details. Here's an example template. The message element value should match the event name we previously created in Milestone XProtect, such as VaxALPR on camera event. Milestone identifies the device that triggered the event using its IP address. The Vaxtor application supports dynamic text replacement, DTR, words, allowing you to use placeholders like IP to automatically insert the device's IP address. This makes the template adaptable to different devices. Lastly, the value element for the object nested in object list determines the object value stored in Milestone XProtect. This value helps with filtering and searching events. For example, using plate as the value will store just the license plate. You can also include more details, for example, by adjusting the template to value, plate, country, make, model, color, value to capture additional information. Let's see how it works. Thanks for watching. Discover more at Vaxtor.com.